Ngok. Hi. Good evening. Hello. Hello. Hi, Ngok. Hello. Ah, hi. I I think your microphone is off. Yeah, let's wait. Oh, you're there now. Okay. Hello, Ngok. Good evening and welcome again to our class for today. So how are you today, Ngok?
I'm good.
I'm good. Wow, that's very good to know. Oh, what are you holding? What
Oh,
is that?
a paper. It's
A
a paper.
paper? Oh, it's a paper. Are you still in your cousin's house?
This a funny cousin house.
Oh, you're still in your cousin's house. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Wow, that's good to know. Did you already eat your dinner there?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, what's that? Is that a candy?
No, this
Ah,
is
gummy bear.
no,
What's that?
it's
What's that? Is that what do you call that? I have that before. Rubies? What do you
cookies.
call? I forgot what is its name.
Mm,
Can you show it to teacher?
okay, I can
Is it a
show.
ball? It is small balls.
Mm,
Oh, is it a food or no? It's just a toy.
No, it's no toy of foods.
Oh, what's
It's
that? Bracelet? It's a bracelet? What's that? Did your cousin gave that to you? Oh, what's that?
I don't.
What do you call that? But
Oh,
it but it's okay. And what for this one? Did you already eat dinner? Ngok?
mm, yeah.
Okay, very good. That's nice to know that you already eat your dinner. And what did you eat for dinner, Ngok? What
It's
did you
for
what did you eat?
I, I eat for rice and on rice, meat and egg.
Oh, meat and egg?
Me
Rice.
meat rice meat egg.
Oh, okay. Let's say I eat I eat rice,
I eat
meat,
rice
and
and
meat.
meat. I eat rice meat and egg for dinner.
Okay, very good. So that's it. So very good. So how are you today? Are you happy today or are you sad? Are you enjoying your vacation in your hometown? How are you? How are you? Are you happy today?
Yes.
Yes. Are you enjoying your stay in your hometown? Because I heard from your mom that you are in your hometown. Is that right?
Okay.
Okay. You are in your hometown? Yes or no?
Hold on.
Hometown. Hometown. This one. Are
Town.
you in your hometown right now? Yes. Okay, because your mother told me that you are in your hometown. And that's really good because you are taking your vacation right now, and I hope you are enjoying there. So now, are you ready for our lesson today? Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm ready. So now we have here a story. Ngok. So we will read first. What is the title of our story? Ngok.
The outside.
Okay, one more time. Let's say the old toy room.
The auditorium.
Okay, very good. So in your house, Ngok, do you have a toy room? Do you have a room for your toys?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Do you have a lot of toys?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's perfect. And what are your favorite toys? Do you have a favorite toy?
Um, mm,
Do you have a favorite toy?
yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what's your favorite toy?
um, my favorite toy is teddy bear.
Oh, teddy bear, like this one. So look at the picture. I think there is a teddy bear here. This, like this. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Yes, okay, that's perfect. So now we will read our story that we have here and make sure to focus on the story so that um, you will be able to answer the questions of teacher later. Okay, so let's start our story. Can you read this one? So let me just zoom in so that you can see. Okay, let's start with this one.
This one.
Lottie, let's say Lottie
Naughty.
and
Not and and her mom were study at Granny Mabel's house for the weekend. Lottie was excellent, excellent because she had never, never sleep over Peter, Peter, Peter,
this one before. Let's say before.
before, and they were so many rooms to ex, ex, ex beautiful, ex,
Okay, let's say explore.
explore, explore. She heading upstairs to find her bedroom.
Okay, very good. So now let's read again this word. So let me just have these words. Wait. Okay. Let's read this one. This one. Can you read this one?
What?
The circle.
Staying, staying,
Okay, very good. Nice. Let's say again. Staying.
staying.
Okay, perfect. Next, this one. Can you read this one?
Uh, this one. What?
This one.
For uh for
4. Okay, perfect. And this one, can you read this?
weekend.
Okay, very good. It's weekend. Again, let's say weekend.
Weekend.
Okay, perfect. How about this one?
Excellent.
Okay, one more time. Let's say excited.
Excited.
Okay, this one is, how about this one? Can you read this one?
uh, uh, excited.
This one.
Excellent.
Okay, very good. So this one is excellent. However, this one is excited. So those are different, two different words. So next, this one, can you read? What is this? What is this word?
Um,
This one. Okay, let me rectangle it.
uh, uh,
How do
the
you
beach.
read? Huh? This one. Sleep. Okay, let's say slept. Slept.
Let
Okay, this one. Read this one. What is this? This one. Look, look. What is this? Ngok?
sleep.
Sleep. This one is the sleep. However, this one is slept. Okay, not sleep. This one is the sleep. This one slept.
Sleep.
Okay. Sleep,
Sleep.
slept.
Sleep. Ah.
You're sleeping now. This one is slept. Okay,
Let.
again. Can you read again this one?
Uh. Huh? What?
This one.
Uh. Never.
This one, this one.
Sleep.
Okay, very good. Slept. Next, can you read this one?
Uh. Dar. Dar.
Uh, okay, again. Let's say there.
There.
Okay, again. How do you read this one?
Uh.
It's
There.
there. Very good. How about this one?
Ex. Explore.
Okay, again. Let's say explore.
Explore.
Okay, again. How do you read that one? X.
Explore.
Okay, again. Explore.
Explore.
Okay, perfect. And next, how about this one? Can you read this one? Oh,
Huh?
this.
Head. Hidden.
Uh,
Hidden.
okay, again, let's say headed.
Hidden.
Okay, very good. Again, can you read? He
Hidden.
headed.
Hidden.
Okay, perfect. And the last one, can you read this one?
Uh. Uh. Oops. Stay.
Okay, again, let's say upstairs. Upstairs. Again, let's read upstairs.
There.
Okay, very good. That is upstairs, not upstay. Okay, so very good. So now, let's take a look at the story that we have here.
Oh no.
Yes. So, let's read. Oh, okay. So, can you describe the picture? What is happening in the picture? Ngok,
Uh.
what is
There.
happening?
I jump.
I don't know. Okay, so based on the story, so this one is Lottie. This one, Lottie. This girl, This girl is Lottie. This is Lottie's mom. And this is Granny Mabel. So this is
Oh,
Granny
I go
Mabel,
to toilet. I go to toilet.
Lottie, and
Teacher,
Lot.
I go to toilet.
Huh?
I go to toilet.
Ah, okay, sure. Go to toilet first. Go, 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 go. Okay, you finished now?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so again, so we have here Lottie, Lottie's mom, and Granny Mabel. And Lottie and her mom, they are staying in Granny's house for the
Mm,
weekend. So they are staying for Saturday and Sunday. And Lottie was excited because in her granny's house, there are a lot of rooms to explore. That is why, as we can see here, so in the picture, Lottie is going upstairs and she will go to see the bedrooms in her granny's house. So as we can see here, Ngok, there is a picture of granny's house. So this is granny's house. So it has a lot of windows. Yeah, so that means it has a lot of rooms. Okay, so again, so teacher has a question. Ngok, who is this? Who,
is
who
what
is
is
she?
she is a green a green a green a green green
Who is she? Granny. What is her name?
green
Granny.
granny granny granny
Oh,
granny
oh no, you're not listening, huh? You don't know what is Granny's name? Again, so let's say this is Granny Mabel. Let's say Granny Mabel.
granny Mabel
Okay, again, who is this Granny? Who is this?
is a granny
Granny? Granny what?
granny a granny
What is the name? Oh no, you're not listening, huh?
Mabel
Okay, very good. Granny Mabel. How
granny
about this
Mabel
girl? Who is this girl?
granny Mabel granny Mabel
Who is the, oh, this is Granny Mabel also?
Um, no,
Who is she? Is this Granny Mabel? No, who is she? What is her name? What is the girl's name?
she is
Lot
uh
Lottie. Let's again, let's say
Lottie,
Lottie.
yeah,
Lottie.
Lottie, Lottie,
Okay, next.
Lottie.
How about this one? Who is this or who is she?
She is mom. She is mom.
Okay, very
Lottie,
good. Lottie's mom. Very good. Nice. Okay.
Lottie.
Okay, so let's go to the next part of our story. So can you see this one? So let me just zoom in. How to zoom in this one? Okay, so let's read.
Girl.
She, oh
A
no,
she.
how to, oh here. Okay, she, let's read this one.
A she. What can the, tell the whole Lottie? Lottie spotted spotted a wooden doll with a small rocking horse carved into it. I wonder what's in the small town.
Okay, again, let's say she thought.
She thought. She thought.
Okay, okay, again. So can you read this word, this one? Liz, can you read this word? Oh no, why is that? This.
What can? What
Okay,
can?
okay, again, let's say walked, walked,
What?
walked. Okay,
What?
very good. Not walking, walked.
What?
Okay, let's read again the sentence. As she walked, as she, let's read. As she,
As as
she
she, she, as she,
walked.
as she walk down the hall.
Okay, very good. So next, let's read this one. Can you read this one?
Uh, she down, she
Okay,
down.
again. Again, let's say she thought.
She thought.
Okay, very good. She thought. Again, can you read? She,
She thought.
she thought.
She thought.
Okay, very good. So,
Thought. She thought. Thought. She thought.
okay, so
Thought.
we have here. So, can you read this one? She took.
She, she took a step closest the green tea tunnel. The dog cart.
Okay, again. Let's read these words. This one. Can you read this one? No, can you read this? Read.
Step.
Okay, again, let's say step.
Step.
Okay, next is, can you read this word?
Friendly. Friendly. Friendly.
Uh, okay,
Friendly.
again, let's say gently. Gently.
Friendly.
Okay, again, can you read this one?
Friendly.
Okay, again, gently, 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 not grandly, gently.
Friendly.
Okay, again, let's read. How do you read this word? How do you read this word? Gent,
Gentle.
ge-
Gentle.
gently. Again, let's say gent.
Gently.
Okay, let's say it 3 times for you to be able to recall it. Let's say gently, gently, gently.
Gently. Gently. Gently.
Okay, perfect. That's very good. Next, this one. Can you read this one? What's this?
Turner. The
Okay,
door. Huh?
okay, again, let's say turned, turned,
Turned.
turned. Okay, let's say 3 times. Turned, turned, turned.
Turner. Turner. Turner.
Okay, add letter D sound at the end. Turned, turned, turned.
Turned. Turned. Turned.
Okay, very good. Next, how about this one? How do you read this one? What's this?
Darker.
Uh,
Darker.
okay, again, let's say doorknob, doorknob.
Doorknob.
Again,
Doorknob.
let's say it 3 times. Doorknob, doorknob, doorknob.
Doorknob. Doorknob. Doorknob.
Okay, very good. So now again, let's proceed to the second part of our story. So as we can see here, so this is Lottie. So she is walking walking down the hall of her
Oh.
Granny Mabel's house. And she saw a door. So this is a big door, a wooden door. And there is a rocking horse in the door. And she said, "What's in there?" So she is curious. What's
Oh.
inside the door? That is why she proceed and opened the
Oh.
door. So she turned the doorknob.
Oh.
Okay, so now, so let's read the next part.
Ah.
Okay, so for this one, I think, Angok, so we do not have much time to continue the next part of our lesson. So, however, I wanted you to practice some words. So, I will send it to our group chat with your mom. So, for you to be able to practice reading those words correctly, okay? And next time, make sure to listen to teacher, okay? Because teacher has questions about this story. Okay, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for your time today, Ngok. And I truly appreciate always your attendance. And see you again next Wednesday. Bye, bye, bye. Goodbye. See you again. Goodbye. Bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
bye.
Bye.